So we are here at the Billy the Kid welcome center, but this is only open Wednesday to Sunday. It's a frontier town. This guy is the guy who shot Billy the Kid. It's only from Thursday to Sunday, free admission. So if you come here Thursday to Sunday, you get free admission. And it's a history, Fort Sumner historic, so it's actually a fort. Museum, gift shop, nature trail, except it's closed. There's Stock Holiday. Clanton, Calamity Jane, Wyatt Earp, Pat Garrett. There's Billy the Kid. Dried chilies. On my tourist there's Billy the Kid, Bonnie Grave. Closed. Chief. It's open here. There's a cemetery here. There's a big sign of Billy the Kid Museum. Then the historic site is over there. There's a museum, cemetery. Maybe I can go in. Sumner. Billy the Kid's Tombstone. So they put it in a cage. Tombstone, because they always steal the tombstone. So they put a metal cage around it. That way nobody can steal it this time. They even put a lot of people put some coins, bullets, a lot of coins here. So this is where he was buried, and that's the original one where the big somebody donated it, and they put because he was buried with two other of his friends, so that's why there's for three of them. And this is the newer one that was also donated by somebody made it, and this was stolen several times also. But I don't know how they can steal that big one, but you can see there are bullets, and this is padlock. There's a big lock here so nobody can come in and steal them. So this is an actual cemetery, and there's some points of interest here for Billy the Kid. So right now we are on Fort Sumner. I don't know where we are, but it's probably around that side. We are on the east side. So, but there's a cemetery. So this is an actual cemetery, and this is donated by the people of Baca County in the state of New Mexico by Body Corporation. So they all donated this one. But this is the cemetery with his two other friends.